Hi everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. If you're new here, I'm Ines, and I do lots of fun things. Like I do lots of cooking and baking, but I also do lots of grocery hauls and lots of fun stuff like that, which is what I'm doing today, is another grocery haul. So I need to get started. So because I work, there is very limited time, and this week is a very, very busy week. I run carpool, and so I am going to and from school, plus working in the middle of that. So, and then because I do the carpool, I also go pick up my husband because we kind of share the car with that. So it's just a longer day. So I decided to just do the Walmart pickup, but I have to tell you, this one is going to be a huge haul. So I spent like over $220, which normally when I go grocery shopping, it's just $100 or so a week. So this is going to be a lot. And I will tell you, I did some meal planning. I know you can't see this very well, but I have some good stuff coming that I'll be making some videos for, like chicken and stuffing in the crock pot. I'm also going to be making a creamy cilantro chicken, which I have not made before. So I have a whole bunch of things here. Plus I have rice pudding, and I'm going to be making that in my multi-cooker, and that will be coming up very soon. So we just came back. We picked up our groceries. We ran some errands. And now I need to unload, and it's still warm here in Las Vegas, so I'm just gonna get those freezer things put away and explain, hopefully, my grocery situation. I did plan, remember I showed you the list ahead of time. Okay, first things first is I have some chicken breast. So this is comparable to the Walmart one, or not the Walmart, the Costco one. So this is 10 pounds for like under 20 bucks. Good price. These are so good. So if you get like breakfast biscuits or, you know, egg McMuffins or something like that, these sausage are comparable to the sausage in those. They're nice and big and round. Some sausage patties can be small. This one's good. And then I got some things for stocking up a little bit. So I got some frozen carrots, and I got 2 bags of tater tots because I do have a recipe that's coming up for this. And of course this, I mean, I was planning to do some soups. Can we talk about how clean my freezer looks? That's what I did today. Was one of my things is I needed to clean this severely. I figured out how to take out this basket and get it going so I could reach back there. So I was so happy about that. Now I need to put the chicken in there. I also had to stock up on a lot of things that weren't food. So I have these freezer bags plus some sandwich ones, and I think I might have gotten some snack ones. So I need all of those for lunches. I just had to get some deodorant. And Equate brand, this is a Walmart brand, so much cheaper, and this smells good. And so I'm kind of surprised they found this without substituting it out, because I was like, oh, I wonder how that smells. I bet it smells good. The mango coconut. I got a couple of these. My older son likes to make these for breakfast with sausage and eggs and biscuits. I'm sure I have a video on that. It's the one with the turkeys, the turkey breakfast biscuits. Got some more peanut butter. The boys are loving peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I got some more yogurt. And these are for Paul's breakfasts. Let's see. I like to cook a lot of oatmeal. So this is, I think I like the Quaker brand better, but this is such a great price. So it'll be this for a little while. So it's okay. They won't notice. Okay, the Jiffy, I already have one in the pantry, and I have a recipe that calls for 2. I'm making tamale pie. And I got some more whipping cream, but I can't remember why. I think I have a couple of recipes. I wrote it all out, so I was like really meticulous, so I'm hoping I didn't pass anything up on my recipes. Okay, my next group is, I got a couple of the Pregos. This is kind of the go-to. I love this flavor of sauce. I got a couple of cream corns. They are for a recipe that's coming up. So I think I'll be filming that one too. I got bananas. These ones look pretty good. I mean, aside from some of the bruising, so we're gonna have to eat these up pretty good. I was talking to my dad today and he's like, I don't know if I could let people pick my fruits and vegetables. And he's right about some things, because the last time I did that, those apples did not look good the next day. So I kind of have a feeling they just kicked them around in the aisles and then they're like, here you go, Ines. So I will save apple picking for me, but the bananas, I might have to save that for me too, because I kind of don't like them too beaten up. Neither do my kids. So this is okay though. We'll eat these. I got some more eggs because we have some recipes. We have some, I got these because they have different varieties of the cream, like bananas and cream, peaches and cream, all kinds of yummy ones. But I also got these ones with higher protein for Paul's breakfasts. So that's a good one. And these ones, like the boys like to just cook them up right before school. So that's a good one. Got more milk. We don't use a lot of milk. Big bag of rice. I like getting my rice though at Costco, but I still need to plan a Costco trip and it's just not working out right now. So I got this. This is a good price. Let's get going on some more stuff. So I have my list upstairs from last night when I was putting all the things into my cart, so to say. And I can't remember if I ordered certain pounds of meat or certain items of meat. So I got some skirt steaks. They're just kind of really thin and flat. They I have more of a carne asada taste to it, like a thinness to it. And I believe I bought $10 worth. So there may be another one of these. I got these croutons for salads, and I'm gonna make a chicken parm bake. So I do have a video for that one too. It's just, if you look under the playlist for easy cooking tutorials, I bet you'll find it. And it's so easy, so good. I also have the boys' lunches. They love pretzels. And have to have top ramen because you just never know. In fact, one of my viewer friends said that I should be having this for my throat even though it's probably not super healthy, it would probably help my throat feel better. And the only reason it's hurting is because I keep coughing and I don't know, it's kind of like instinctual and I can't stop sometimes. So I'm probably like damaging vocal cords just from coughing so much. Okay. I got a chicken stuffing mix because when you see this video, I will have already made this recipe. So I was looking over at some of my comments and I said, gosh, it was months ago, I said that I was going to have this crock pot meal as one of my more recent videos, and I totally forgot to make it. So I'm going to do a soup. That was going to be a super easy recipe. If you haven't seen it, it's probably the one before this one. So check that one out. So easy. I got more of the Walmart brand Crystal Lights. The kids really like that. And remember, it doesn't stick. So in case it spills. I got a lemon for a recipe, but I can't tell you what that is now because I can't remember. And some tomatoes. So I'm going to put these in the fridge. Okay, so we love Grandma Sycamore. I still like to eat the whole wheat, so I did get 2 of the whites and then 2 of the wheats. But I don't know, the kids, they'll eat whatever. I just thought, well, maybe we missed this. I actually don't eat that much bread, so I'm just glad they eat whole wheat, I guess. Okay, I also got some store brand cookies for lunches. They're Chips Ahoy, they're grasshopper ones, and then these ones are so good. They're chocolate peanut butter. Really, really good. And they're only like $1.50 each, except for this one. I think it was like $2.50. Okay, so one of the things about pickup services, especially with Walmart, is if they don't have exactly what you've asked for, they will give you usually like the name brand and give it to you for their cost. But that doesn't happen too often. But I tried to get some ground beef in like the tubes, and they didn't have them, but I ordered 3 1-pound, and they ended up giving me 2 of the 2 1/4 pounds. So I got like 1.5 pounds for free. And they only charged me what I was supposed to pay for the 3. So I'm super excited about that. The only thing is I have to now cut these in half and put them in the freezer. So, no big deal. At least I got the freezer bags. So now I have some vegetables and some stock up items. So I'm stocking up my pantry. I have 6 of these petite diced tomatoes. Now I know some people like to wait for case lot sales, but if you go to Walmart or even Winco, if you don't have a Winco, everybody has a Walmart, right? You can get cans for way cheap, kind of comparable to case lot sales, if not cheaper. So if you're wanting to do some stocking up of your pantry, what I've done in the past is just take like $10 or $20 of my budget for the week. Usually I'll start smaller, like 10, and then just buy $10 of freezer food or $10 of pantry foods that I can keep stocked up, and then kind of rotate them out, because I do have one of those shelf reliance, roll the can across how it goes, so the oldest one comes first, and then you put the new ones. You know what I'm talking about. So I have to put these in. My family prefers the little petite ones because they don't like everything super chunky, and I have a lot of green chilies already in my pantry, so I can use these for Italian recipes, or I can add the green chilies and make it my own rotel. So I also have some black beans. So I am newer to the black bean wagon. I am just trying to get more fiber. I love, love, love pinto beans. They have no fiber or very, very little. These ones are tremendously loaded with fiber, so that's super good. So I'm gonna try them out on like my taco salads and things like that, and I'm sure it'll be fine, but I love pinto beans. In fact, when I was pregnant with my 4th son, I did get gestational diabetes with I was like 37 when so anyways, he had asked me to write down my foods, and I was showing all the numbers, and he's like, how are you going to your favorite Mexican food place and staying in your numbers? And I said, how are you going to tell a Mexican girl she can't have beans and rice on salad? Just kidding. Not really. But so I'm just going to try these black beans and see how they go. I did get some stuff to make salads. So you saw that I had the tomatoes. I have lettuce here and some cucumbers. I also have some cilantro. So I have, like I said, I have a creamy chicken cilantro recipe that I want to make. And I also have some broccoli, which we will be making some chicken and broccoli. And I have some celery, which will be really good just to snack on or to add into some soups. So I am excited about that as well. I love it when I cut some veggies and put them on a plate. Okay, I'm getting super close to being done, but you can see what $220 has bought my family, and it has bought a lot. So behind me there, just some more like things for the home: toilet paper, paper towels, just some paper towels, toilet paper, some laundry detergent, some shampoos, things like that, some floss. I think some of my kids were asking for some in their bathroom, so just really easy stuff. So the last parts here are like my dairy stuff, right? I have sour cream, which is gonna go into a couple of recipes, some cream cheese, same thing. And then I have some Monterey Jack cheese and some medium cheddar, which are my favorites, also for recipes. Some sliced cheddar for sandwiches, some Parmesan, that's gonna go on the chicken Parmesan bake. Some French fried onions. So I didn't really know what these were until, gosh, I want to say like a couple years ago. And it wasn't like I was wanting to try them. It was on a green bean casserole, and we're not huge green bean eaters, but I had one at somebody's house. It was so good. They made it from scratch. It was wonderful. And then these on top, I was like, where have these been all my life? Why haven't I bought these before? So I have a couple recipes that now I've been using them. I just sprinkle a little bit, and maybe I'll have some leftovers for like salads, or maybe we could put them on baked potatoes. Who knows? I also have some go-go squeezes. These, Ezra really likes these. Remember that I really like getting them from Costco because you can get like double for about like a couple dollars more to get the double amount. It's like awesome. And then they're organic at Costco. I don't know why they don't sell them organic everywhere else. Okay, corn tortillas. Gotta have corn tortillas. I was thinking about making some enchiladas with that. And I have a couple of bags of just some tortilla chips. Sometimes with extra taco meat, we can just make some nachos. The kids can eat them after school sometimes. It's easy peasy. I have some mozzarella cheese. Also for that chicken parm bake. And I feel like I am missing, oh, the dessert stuff. I walked in the door tonight and my son's like, did you buy chocolate chips? He's got the baking itch, I think. So yes, take them and bake away. He loves baking. In fact, my oldest son, when he was younger, he wanted to open up his own bakery. Isn't that so cute? And then he realized how much money he would be making and thought, no way. But maybe he will just be that dad that just bakes things with his family. Okay, potatoes. I have a couple of recipes, like I'll be making shepherd's pie and also some other recipes where we might just make baked potatoes alongside. Perfect. So that's it. I got everything I needed from a pickup service to hopefully last us the next couple weeks with very little getting from the nearby store, some apples and bananas and things like that. So, like I said, I spent at $220 and I am so grateful for Walmart's pickup service because for a busy mom like me, and I'm not kidding about being busy, it's like 7 o'clock at night and I'm about to get ready to go to a church meeting. So lots of things are going on in my days and I just need to be able to get things done. So having an organized list of my meals will help me get through these next couple weeks, hopefully with ease. And unlike the haul I did at Winco where I was just wandering down the aisles and kind of not sure, I feel more determined and I have a plan. So that's perfect for me. So thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you spent the evening with me unpacking my groceries. I always find it so interesting to see what people are buying for their families and actually how much they are spending as well. So I'm so glad that you stopped by. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe and follow me along on this cooking process and this YouTube process. It's so fun and I love meeting new people. So that's it. I need to get going. So have a good evening and take care. And you never know what I'll be rolling out next. I wonder who needs me now.